During the Royal International Air Tattoo, held between July 18 and 20, 2025, U.S. Air Force Chief of Staff General David Ulvin confirmed that the service has greenlit plans to purchase as many as 75 additional KC-46A Pegasus tankers from Boeing. This decision marks a shift in the Air Force's long-term refueling strategy, choosing to reinforce its current program rather than launch a new competition for a next-generation interim tanker solution. The move reflects both fiscal constraints and a desire to sustain uninterrupted production while mitigating ongoing technical hurdles within the fleet. The added procurement falls under what is now being called the KC-46A Production Extension Program. The aircraft are intended to bridge the capability gap as the Air Force gradually retires its decades-old KC-135 Stratotankers. Officials cited the need to balance budgetary realities with operational readiness while pushing back timelines for the next-generation air refueling system, NGAS, which remains in its early conceptual phase. The KC-46A Pegasus, first introduced in 2019, is a twin-engine tanker designed not only for mid-air refueling but also for cargo transport and aeromedical missions. Equipped with two Pratt & Whitney PW4062 turbofan engines producing a combined 124,000 pounds of thrust, the aircraft can carry over 96 tons of fuel and transport nearly 30 tons of cargo or 58 passengers. With a wingspan of 47.5 meters and 18 pallet positions for cargo, the aircraft also features dedicated crew seating and provisions for medical personnel when conducting evacuation operations. Having been cleared for worldwide deployments in late 2022, the KC-46 has since been integrated into multiple mission profiles. In October 2024, the platform saw its first operational deployment to the Middle East. Most recently, KC-46 units played a pivotal role during Operation Midnight Hammer in June 2025, providing airborne refueling for B-2 bombers during strikes against Iranian nuclear facilities. The original KC-46 program, which increased from 179 to 188 units, is expected to complete deliveries by the end of this decade. The additional 75 aircraft will be ordered thereafter, ensuring no production gap between contracts. The Air Force's tanker strategy is now built on three pillars: continuing KC-46 acquisitions, scaling back ambitions for a separate commercial-derived interim tanker fleet, and gradually advancing NGAS research. With only $13 million allocated to NGAS in the FY 2026 budget, far less than earlier projections, and with resources redirected toward the sixth-generation F-47 fighter initiative, leadership has prioritized reinforcing current tanker capabilities and overall operational survivability until a new family of aerial refueling systems is developed.